Okurijira hari urukurira by'obwegeso mu district ya Kikuube hamwe n'umuhezi wa chairman wa district ya Kikuube Opio Vincent. District yabo erimu amashomero mingi agari mu mbeera mbi, ekintu ekirikuzingama eby'enshomesa haza abeegi bakarijiriraho kukora kubi omu bigezo.
Ereso ya Latwin eri 1 to 58 ngubuli akastansi kamu kagendebwamu abaana 58 kandi kunu kali kasemere kukolesebwa abaana 40. Kikumaisa obwire bwa break nakyo bukwa bwikire kugenda kolese bintu ebi abaana balina kusimba line. Hatu omukusimba line ojja kusanga obwire bugaruka mu class bwikire hatu mwana nagaruka akozereki akerereyo.
Muno nitubaze kintu kya distance bokurura bichwekanka kuruga Nyairongo genda kya Rusesa kuruga Mandwiga kuija kuno Wairagaza kuruga Kaseta okagenda Munda side za Chopero na handi tu abana bakyali batorugendo rayira.
Abantu bongeraho ngo mu barugo bashomesa nago n'umuce kandi ngo abandi bari no bahumura n'emyaka etakahikire.
Abasomesa tuina baki nka district tukwetaga abasomesa 1297 baitu tuina abasomesa 658 so bokwa norora tuina yo gap ya basomesa 600 na igure yo 600.
So tunakurura ngo government yatuyamba tuhandika abasomesa abandi kandi nogo wena aina obusobozi bokurura ngo bakusa kutuyamba katwina ba partners abandi bali mu cyamba bali mu settlement norora ono na tuyamba mu recruiting abasomesa.
RDC wa Hoima Rogers Mbabazi nagira ngo necyamazima ebicweke bimwe no shanga abana bari bingi bitu government eriyo negezaho kombeka amashomero marungi
na government eriyo neyombeka amashomero nico kureba almost buri parishes 10 hari 10 zine a government primary school kandi government already yatwerizana na seed schools ibiri emwe yatandikire kora ya Kigorobya.
Ebi byabaho babeji abakozere kurunje bigezo bya UNEB omwaka gw'2023 muri Kikuube na Hoima abantu bahebwa miliyoni 4 okurwa mu kampuni eri kutimba amajuta ya China National Offshore Oil Company.
The performance is still low, which means we had no better candidates who had excelled to get more points for us to be able to reward somebody who had points as low as 4 or 5.
Wamu sente zetubadde ziri omutwalo gumu mu 12 za dola nga tuzibawadde mu mpeke abaana bano 218 abasinze oba balidde mu bannabwa akendo ku P7 S4 ne S6.
As this is evidenced by our beloved parents who have toiled off and need to keep us in school. More credit to our teachers who nurtured our minds to this brutal sharpness, working tirelessly to arm us for victory.
Abeji abarukuhika 200 no batunga sentezi gasha kwamburozi nwaga bakatota.